Hey guys, how's it going? It's Pierre from SalomonFirearms Training and Overwatch Security. Today, I have my new phone coming in. So ever since I got serious about doing YouTube and being a content creator, I've been ordering a ton of crap. I've probably spent about maybe 10 grand on just getting equipment and things like that. So it's super exciting. I love the feeling of every time, the UPS guy comes in, FedEx guy comes in, and I get something in. So I'm super excited. This is the new iPhone. So when I had bought my phone, I had bought the lower storage because I wasn't doing anything out of my phone outside of texting. But now that I'm using my phone to make YouTube videos, my iPhone memory is filling up very quickly. I only have like 128 gigs, something like that. So every couple of videos, my iPhone is full. I gotta dump it into my laptop and vice versa. So, well, not vice versa, but repeatedly over and over again. So I decided to upgrade my phone and then donate my phone to somebody who's in need. So it's a win-win. So yeah, let's unpack, unbox, let's do everything. So I'm super excited. This is the new titanium thingy-majiggy. So look at my beautiful iPhone. It looks gorgeous. I'm super excited. And just like I did with my Samsung phone, I got the 1 terabyte version. So that way I don't have any data storage issues. And so yeah, so my phone is kind of gonna be on my on-the-go type of thing. So I'm gonna have my, my little phone holder thingy whenever I go, and I'll have a GoPro one as well. And then those will kind of be on my go. As we level up and our YouTube channel grows and it justifies the cost, then I'll end up getting a more real camera. So I was talking to one of my buddies, he's a photographer, and he got into all the weeds and details about DSLRs and different types of stuff. And I'm like, when I get there, I'm gonna get there. But this is the new iPhone. Apparently it came out this year. So I'm super excited about that. The box looks nice. I mean, I guess a bunch of people have this iPhone. I'm one of the people that I update my phone like every 5 years. So I'm not on the, I gotta have a phone every new year when they come out with whatever version. So this is a nice version for me. I'm definitely learning now that I need to max out my data on everything that I do, so that way I can do content creation. And the fact that I'm spending all of this money, it means I have to freaking do YouTube, or else it doesn't justify the cost. It can't be an investment if I am not, gonna make money on it. So I'm super excited. I've been making a lot of videos. I have a lot of content, honestly. I've been shooting a lot of content. I just have to edit it and, post them and things like that. Trying to figure out the right balance. So it's super cool. So I'm using one iPhone to record the other iPhone. And I love how bright I look here too, because I'm using the Lume Cube lights. I'm gonna do a review on those as well. So this is my new phone, titanium black. This looks beautiful. Look at that. Woo! Right after I shoot this video, I'm going straight to the Apple store to get a case and a screen protector for it, because I cannot afford to drop this bad boy. So, nothing else in the box. So it came with the phone and the cable. So once again, I'm super pissed off that they don't give us the charging block. I think it's bullshit. If I'm buying my phone, I need a way to charge this. I spent $1,700 on this phone and some change. And I don't even have a way to charge it. Why are you telling me that, oh, you already have a charging block, so we're not gonna give you shit? That shit pisses me off, and I'm gonna say that every goddamn video. I was honestly gonna buy iPhones for my company and all my employees, but the fact that they didn't give us the charging block, that's my form of protest. Apple finally got rid, so there's no more lightning cable. So this is all USB-C to USB-C. Shout out to Europe and Brazil for forcing them to, you know, to make all the charges the same, because you know American government doesn't give a damn about us consumers. Let me see. Titanium. I don't even know what my other phone feels like because it's always in a case. So does it even matter that it's titanium? Who knows? All right, so I'm setting this up right here. Everybody knows how to set up a phone, so I guess I don't really need to like show you the phone starting up and stuff like that. And everybody else has already done a bunch of YouTube videos on the new phones and stuff, so I'm like months behind. But this is my new phone. Let's see, the screen, it's taking forever. Oh, setup. Oh, crap. Okay, so I need to set it up with my device. So I need to transfer the info from this phone to that phone. So I guess it's the end of the video. So yeah, welcome to the cool iPhone 15 Pro Max Titanium. Ain't shit in this box because they want to save on carbon emissions. Right. So yeah, that's it. So got a new phone, new specs. Hopefully the videos are nicer and clearer. I did order some mics coming in. I know a lot of people were giving me feedback on that. Just wait for the videos to post out, and I am serious about being a YouTuber. I am serious about being a content creator, and I'm gonna bring you guys the best two-way content and other content as well, because we do self-defense training. We have the My Why playlist about why do we work so hard and stuff like that. So tons of content coming out. This is just another investment. You know, I'm an amateur. I'm not a expert. I didn't go to school for videography and photography. So you're just watching a normal guy just figure things out and go. So as our channel grows, you know, we'll get more equipment and stuff like that. I am gonna be renting out a room to officially have a place to do our SFT Safely Honest Gun Show, where we talk about guns, politics, and the quality of life issues. So we're working on getting that set up for you guys. So it will be a real like podcast. I don't even know how you define a podcast, because we do videos. Is that a vlog? I've seen like vlogging and podcast. I don't know how to define it, but whatever. I'm a YouTuber, content creator, podcaster, whatever the hell you want to say. But yeah, so we're working on getting all the equipment. I'm just not afraid to show you guys, you know, the process of starting from the bottom. And we're just gonna figure it out, figure it out as we go. And I'm doing what I love. I'm enjoying making the videos and thinking of content and, you know, strategizing and stuff like that. So it's super cool. I'm enjoying my time. If you guys have any ideas or topics you want us to talk about, go ahead and drop them in the comment below, and then we'll add that to our content list, and then, you know, we'll make you guys awesome videos. So I'm here for you guys, so tell me what you want and I'll make it happen. If you guys like our videos, please like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, all that social media stuff, so our channel can continue to grow. So thank you very much. I am out of here. I'm going to the Apple store. I need a case and a screen protector, and I need to transfer my data from the phone to here. So yeah, and I need to activate the phone with Verizon. So got a lot of different things to do. So thanks a lot, and catch you guys next time. Bye.